Hello everyone, this is Inayat Mir with Learning Microsoft Windows Server 2016 Section 1 Part number 3. We are going to cover topic number 3 in this video, which is installing Active Directory Domain Controller. We will do this all installation from scratch by starting with installing Active Directory Domain Services binaries. Let me show you, this is a workgroup. Currently, this server is not a domain controller, which will be a domain controller, and we are going to perform this operation right now by using add roles and features widget. So the first step is you have to go to your dashboard, click on add remove roles and features, look at which server you are going to install. The server name is DC. Click on next and choose the option ADDS. So ADDS is actually a option which you have to choose to add domain binaries, ADDC binaries. Then you can promote this server as a domain controller. For now, we gonna skip any other role or any other feature because we do not need for this installation. You have to choose the option restart. If you don't, it will automatically restart when you promote your server as a domain controller. So we are adding Active Directory Domain Services, which is completed. Now the next part is to promote this DC as a domain controller. So we did actually add ADDC binaries successfully. Now the second part is to promote this server as a domain. What we want to choose? A new forest, because we do not have any existing Active Directory domain, so we cannot use a backup domain controller option at this time or any child domain option. The name I selected is ny1.com. We have forest and domain functional levels. We do not have any other operating system such as Windows Server 2008 R2 or Windows Server 2012 in the environment. So we are using 2016 with directory services restore mode password. That should not be the one you use to log in. So this is for only disaster recovery time. You can use this password. The NetBIOS name could be unique, could be different. I am leaving this same for this demo purposes. Then you have your NTDS database files, system volume or sysvol location. I am going to leave it as default. This is a review page. Just review the page. You also can view the script. If you want to later on use a script, you can do it. We don't need at this moment, but let's check prerequisites. This will take few minutes. Once everything is good, you will see a green check. You will be ready. So all prerequisites checks passed successfully. Now you can click on install. So we got a green signal to install Active Directory Domain Controller. So this will be my first root domain. In real life, this will take approximately 5 to 15 minutes, but I just can pause and go. Once you're done, you can reboot your PC. You are good to go. Look at your DC. You can log in back to now this domain. So you are logging into your NY1 domain. This is your dashboard. From local server, you should be able to see this is a domain now. No more workgroup. Now we are using ny1.com. IP address is visible on server manager page, and this is the IP we selected before. We can give them alternate DNS and default gateway, so I can go and update my server. I will be able to go online now. I did not configure my default gateway before, but now I just did it. So I'm able to go online. We have no issue. We have no problem. I will go offline and update. I will come back with my video 4. Thank you.